Ladies and gentlemen, the next speaker is the man who promised to bring Fiji back to Lambasa.
In maintenance and upgrading of the stadium. The entire population of the Northern Division had been anxious to see.
Thank you, Bob. My CEO, football. Good afternoon.
Major soccer tournament 2016 involved to go into the history books as the first ever football team to play at the Olympics. Shop, ICT solutions provider for both the corporate and consumer markets. For ultimate clash for earning premium highlands of Fiji soccer.
Thank you for the very warm welcome. The President of FA, the Football Association, Mr. Patel, major sponsor Vodafone and partners, district football teams and management, members of the media, football fans, children, ladies and gentlemen. Namaste. And a warm welcome to you up here in the north. First, I would like to thank the organizing committee for the invitation to officially open this year Football Association Cup tournament. It is my pleasure to be here with you this afternoon. At the outset, there is a growing concern regarding the drastic descent of Fiji in FIFA world rankings that we all are aware of it. Over the years, our standing has fallen far short of our expectation. So I hope the continuous development and the continuous tournament that we conduct in football will help raise our ranking comes 2009. I think I've spoken at length about the need football administrator to really evaluate the static direction of sports at all levels of operation. We are with the capable hands of our new president, the president that has been running Fiji football for the past year. And when I came in as a minister, I think football is developing very well. As he announced it this week that this afternoon there will be another volleyball football development academy here in the north. So with that in mind, the government takes the issue of good governance. It also the issue of fraud, dishonesty very seriously. Football is a game allowed by many Fijians, and the onus is on local football, especially administrator, to innovate and sweeping changes to reward our football enthusiasts. We need to see these development programs mirrored in our achievements, and importantly, improve our international ranking. This has been set in motion through Fiji's Football Association establishment of the 11 Development Center and 5 centers of excellence around the country. However, this has to be accompanied by qualified coaches, working with sports scientists, medical practitioners, and technology experts, so that they can provide our players, men and women, with the support they need to excel locally and both in the international stage. We need to see our national team compete more on international stage if we are to improve our rankings. urge the administrator and stakeholders to reevaluate your values and responsibility, because you are obligated to the overall development of football, not only locally but internationally. I look forward to continuing to cooperate women and men players with disability in your ranks as we work to ensure all Fijians play football in an inclusive society. Therefore, I want to pose this question to the administrator. What are we doing and where are we going? These two questions should be at the back of our mind, and as you watch the Fiji Fair unfold, do not deny our local talents, our local fans and supporters the opportunity to witness world-class football. Please evaluate the things that you have successfully done in the past, and see you need to continue to do, and also gauge what you have done that needs to be discontinued or adapted to ensure success. The onus and will always be on the administrator. We may secure the best sponsors and accumulate funds from all these annual tournaments at FIFA, but if we don't have good administrators, we'll face challenges. Other nations and other teams are climbing up the world rankings because of good administrators and good governance they practice on the organization. We should set our sights on qualifying for a FIFA World Cup. That's both in men and women. I believe it's within our reach. Rugby team has done it, or Rugby 7 has done it, and why not can Fiji football do it? I challenge you to match our financial achievements against our regional and international standing. Let us work harder together to protect ourselves much further up the rankings than we have ever been. The government is here to support, and let's ensure a return of investment to the sponsor, the supporters, importantly for the players. I was very pleased with the achievement of our under-20 national football team that represented our country proudly at the FIFA Under-20 World Cup. This was held in New Zealand last year. I actually farewelled them at the New Zealand Embassy residence, where we met, and I give them the well wishes of the Fiji people. It set the standard of all our representative team to work together and work towards its motivating factor of what football in the country should become. We are also aware of the progress of our local boy, Roy Krishna, in the international arena. He's shining. And to us all players, that is a good example of what the Fijian brand of football can produce and market to international club. We have the makings of world-class football. And the players that we have to provide the necessary environment to harness their development and expose their maximum abilities. I wish to thank the Fijian Football Association for persevering with the Fiji Fair, which has become an annual event in our national sporting calendar. I think no doubt such tournaments will help identify our upcoming national stars. Football has grown from strength to strength over the years, and I would like to acknowledge Fiji Football Association, current and past official, for the effort they have put in to ensure the development of this event is status increases. My ministry looks forward to working with the Fiji Football Association in not only improving our overall ratings as a football nation, but also promote sports as means to keep all Fijians fit and healthy. We have a significant problem in tackling obesity and other lifestyle diseases. hope that you will be active on next Friday on the National Sports Day, promoting physical activity in all our community. But let's return to the tournament today. The reason we are gathered here, I would like to mention that in 2016, Vodafone Fiji Fest will be another weekend of exciting football. This will be accompanied by the drama that comes with it, and all the sports. Sports are about those unbelievable moments that we watch in amazement, the sheer human will and desire to grow the odds. Before I conclude, I wish to acknowledge the corporate sponsors who continue tirelessly to support our sports in all facets in the country. No doubt such a tournament cannot be successfully held without your contribution. I particularly acknowledge Vodafone Fiji for sponsoring this tournament for the past 8 years. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all an enjoyable Fiji Fest tournament, and may the best team wins. And thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Minister.
Cents per minute, you can call mobiles and landlines in Australia, New Zealand, UK, USA, Canada, China, India, Sri Lanka, and Kiribati. For more information, call customer care on 123 or visit www.vodafone.com.fj. Promotions only for Vodafone prepaid customers. Vodafone, power to you.